Okay, so the time has run, and so I'm going to let the pressure out. What's left, which isn't much, because it actually I left the room and got busy doing something else, so it's been sitting finished for 20 minutes instead of 10. So there's hardly any pressure at all to be released. So there we have our rice and our chicken. So remember, we put this in so that we can lift it out. We just lift that out. Put it right here. And the fork.
That smells good.
Jay's making his debut here.
Zoe too.
Yeah, well, she's not in the picture. Well, kind of. There she is. Yeah. So we'll just stir up this rice a little bit. Fluff it up. Done. Okay. And then we're going to take the chicken out. We're going to put it in. I'm just going to put it under the broiler just to get it a little bit crispy. So, for like 3 or 4 minutes, and then it'll be completely done. You have your rice and you have your chicken already cooked. And if I had vegetables to cook, I would dip out most of this liquid, and then I'd just saute them in a little bit of this liquid just for a couple of minutes, and then they'd be crunchy still, and then I just use that like I would put broccoli and maybe cauliflower and some carrots sliced up in there, and just hit them real quick in the saute mode. Or you could just stick them in the microwave and steam them for like 30 seconds or something, and then just add them to your rice and your sauce and your meat. And that is all there is to it.
So are you gonna put it in the broiler?
Yeah, but okay, I'll do that.
Okay. I'll move the camera.
Oh, okay. Well, it's not on yet, but it will be. So I didn't plan on here.
Ta-da!
That's it.
Another great meal.
All right. They're waiting for theirs. And we're done. And that's a wrap.